Hello everyone, in this session we are going to learn sheet metal operations, punch operations, sheet metal cut operations, resizing, bend radius resizing, bend angles, and converting solid body to sheet metal. Okay, this is our base flange. I will create a edge flange on this edge. Okay, for resizing, bend radius, select this bend face and enter the radius. Click OK. This is how you can resize your bend radius. Then bend angle. Select a face, then select bend and give the angle. This is how you can resize your bend angle. Okay, then dimple. For this we will draw a sketch. Click on finish. See here the punch radius, die radius, corner radius, these parameters also you can change and click OK. This is how it will get created. Then drawn cutout. For this we will draw a sketch. Finish sketch. See, this is how you can do the drawn cutout. Okay, thank you.